Hi, and welcome to the Southwest Florida Real Estate Scoop, where you'll find real estate information no one else is sharing with you. I'm Anthony Ruggieri, a realtor in Southwest Florida, and today we've got something incredibly valuable to share with you. We'll be diving into the world of home financing and discussing how to use the NACA mortgage calculator. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or someone looking to refinance, this tool can be a best friend. So let's get started. First things first, what is the NACA mortgage calculator? Well, it's a powerful online tool provided by the Neighborhood Assistance Corporation of America, NACA. This calculator helps you estimate your purchase price, allowing you to check your affordability. So how do you access this tool? It's incredibly easy. Just go to the official NACA website. Once you're there, navigate to the home buyer section and you'll find the mortgage calculator. Click on it to get started. By the way, if you're finding value in this video, could you do me a huge favor by liking, commenting, and subscribing? Thanks. Now back to the video. Now let's walk through how to use the NACA mortgage calculator step by step. Enter your desired monthly payment. The first thing you need to do is enter the amount of your rent or desired monthly payment. This will calculate your home purchase price. Your interest rate will be set at 1% below the current market rates. NACA has worked out a deal for below market rates for our priority members and members purchasing in priority areas. Select your loan term. Choose the number of years you'd like to repay the loan. Common terms are 15, 20, or 30-year mortgages. Keep in mind, if you're choosing a shorter term than 30 years, it will reduce your purchase price. The mortgage calculator will allow you to enter your estimated annual property tax, homeowners insurance, HOA, or condo fees, if any. These are important factors that will affect your overall payment. Click Calculate. After entering all the necessary details, click the Calculate button. In just a few seconds, the calculator will generate your estimated purchase price. Now that you have your results, what do they mean? Your monthly payment includes principal, interest, property tax, homeowner insurance, homeowner association fees, or condo fees if applicable. This tool gives you a clear picture of what to expect each month, allowing you to plan your finances accordingly. There are several benefits to using the NACA calculator. Accurate planning. It helps you plan your budget accurately by providing a realistic estimate of your purchase price and affordability. Comparison tool. You can use it to compare different loan amounts, interest, rates, loan terms, and see how they impact your payments. Decision making. Armed with this information, you can make informed decisions about your home purchase, ensuring it aligns with your financial goals. And there you have it, folks. Using the NACA calculator is a crucial step in your home buying journey. It empowers you with the knowledge you need to make sound financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave us a comment down below. Now, if you're ready to take the next steps or want to know more about the types of properties you can buy with NACA, stay tuned for our next video. If I can be of help in any way, my contact info is down below. Remember, I can help you all across the country through my network of NACA affiliated realtors. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your home financing endeavors. Until next time,